We are the friend club. Yeah, we are the friend club. Friend making friends, and we are the friend club. We look like we are superhero, but we do no superhero. But soon we will turn to a superhero. Like be on the job. We have heart like a jump. Mistake we can do. We can learn by our mistake. We can help each.
Because we are the Super Friend Club.
Ding, ding. Yeah, it's whole time. Oh, whole time. I can't wait to eat that cake. Yeah, the nice chocolate. You have cake. I like cake. Yeah, sometime I can make more of it. When do we have a production? Yeah, when? Shut up, Jake. Aren't you going home, Chuck? Will you go home? Do you want to stay in my house for a little bit? Yeah, okay. I can come. I just wait for my sister. I can tell you about my sister when we get home. It's just when we go home, I need to message my sister for your address. Okay, so like planned, let's go to the train. Wait a minute, what go train, Charlie? Maybe the train? Okay, let's go to the train. At the train. At Amy's house. And Charlie sent Amy's address to Charles, her twin. And Charlie told Amy about her twin. Come in, Charlie. Okay. Let's watch some TV while we wait for your sister. I think she's in traffic. It's a busy day today. Oh, it's raining. I should put my hoodie on. That's perfect. What is flooding? Oh, come on. How can I pick up Charlie if there is a little flood? That's Amy's house. So Charlie at the flood. Oh no, I need to save her. Amy, why there water in the flood? Are we in the flood? Let me see. Let me see. Okay, I can't see that well. Let me just check outside. Is it flooding, Amy? Let me check. Let me come with you. Why can't I open the door? I swear I didn't lock it. I never lock my door when I'm alone. I think it's flooding because why is the water flowing? And also, the reason why it's flowing because we're in the flood. No, we're in the flood. Oh no, they're in the flood. What? Me and Amy and Charlie in the flood? So that's where the water be coming from. It was the flood. Maybe I can jump on the cars and save them. That would be a good idea. Let me try that. Whoa, this is hard, but I need to keep trying so I can save my sister. I'm in my train. One more car. Danny. No. I need to get in the water now. worry, it's okay. Whoa, we're flying! Oh, OMG, how are we flying? And what the necklace? I don't know, but this is cool. I would like to be, I think, the necklace. If we're not in the superhero forms, we can still do a superhero magic. I think this is what this necklace needs necklace for. Oh, so that's what that necklace that I saw before. I mean crystal. 'Cause if we say sorry when someone like hurt, we get these. So the only person we need to do this is Jake, Emma, and Mary, Katie, Lily, Ella, Daisy, all of them. But we already have them, so we can't do it. So we need to let them. Let them get the necklace by helping because they're fun. Yeah, let's transform. Part 2.